Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Dobby's Signature. Today we'll be learning how to make this tasty palm fruit soup known as Banga soup. And look, wow, it's really popular in the southwestern part of Nigeria. Now the ingredients you'll be needing are right on your screen at the moment. Now the first step will be to wash the catfish. Remember, we're making this soup with catfish. So for this recipe, I'll be using fresh catfish and dry catfish. Now to wash the fresh catfish, I'll add hot water into a bowl with the catfish in it. The hot water removes the slime, as you can see right now. So I'll clean off the slime once the water has touched every part. Once I'm done cleaning, I'll rinse the catfish and place in a pan. Just a shallow pan to cook lightly. Going to be steaming this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Water and seasoning. The seasoning is optional. I'm going to add salt to taste and cover. Now the catfish is done. So I'm going to flip this over so it will cook evenly and set that aside. The next step will be to clean the dry catfish. So I'm going to place the dry catfish in a bowl and add hot water also. Now I'm going to gently remove the bones within the catfish. Just remove everything. Once I'm done cleaning, I'm setting that aside. Next, I'll pour the palm fruit juice, which is known as Banga, into a pot and cook for about 15 minutes till it starts to boil like this. Then I'll add the dry catfish, the Banga spice. This has already been mixed. Crayfish, ground crayfish, salt to taste, chili pepper, powdered chili pepper, and the obrundebe stick. Now this would add flavor to the soup to give it that Banga flavor, which we all love. So I'm going to add that whole, and once I'm done, I'm going to remove it. Next, I'll add the belleteke leaf into the pot and mix. Just mix it, stir it all up. And cover the pot. I'm going to leave this to cook for about 5 minutes before turning off the boiler and discarding the stick. And it's done. Once the oil settles on top, as shown on the screen, your Banga soup is ready. Now, once that's done, I'm going to add the cooked catfish. Catfish is very, very soft, so it's best to add it once you're done cooking so it doesn't scatter in the soup. Now, to serve Banga soup is usually served in these small bowls. Now, this is a special clay bowl used in serving Banga soup. Really, really special and local. This clay bowl helps retain the heat and keeps it hot and bubbling, as shown on the screen. Once you boil it, it keeps it bubbling. To serve it, you'd soak the bowl in cold water for about 1 hour before putting it on the fireplace to boil with the Banga. It helps retain the heat and keeps it bubbling. Now it's time to try out the Banga soup. Banga soup is usually served with starch. This is the type of swallow. Now time to try it. Just dip it in. Oh, it's hot. Yummy. There's a special way to eat starch. You twist and pull. Time to try the catfish. Yummy.
If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.